It's a VPart wig. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful VPart, yes, VPart wig from OQ Hair. Keep on watching. So first we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to get right into this tutorial. So we had a package from OQ Hair, so let's unbox it and see what we got. So inside it says, crown yourself queen of hair today. Love the packaging. We have our wig. We have our pamphlet with information on it. We got 2 packs of wig caps, HD, and then the regular wig cap. Have some clips here. And our headband. Now let's get into the star of the show. This is the VPart Afro Curly 18-inch unit. Love a good curly wig. The VParts are definitely making a comeback right now. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. Very full, and the curls look amazing. Again, this is a VPart wig. Love the construction of the VPart, so you don't see tracks there. It just looks like hair around the VPart. Does come with the band with the silicone grip, which is great. Does have a removable comb in the back, and then clips around the VPart. What the inside of the cap looks like. So for this VPart wig, I did end up turning it into just a front bang, but there is a side part here. I did do the invisible crochet method for this VPart wig. Absolutely love this method because I didn't have to leave any hair out at all. This hair is so full. The texture is absolutely beautiful, so full. Let me give you a 360. Like, I'm so excited about this unit, but let me slow it down, give you a quick 360, and then we'll get into this tutorial. This unit is nice and full. I did cut some length off of it and I did frame my face a bit, but I'm absolutely obsessed. This is definitely going to be my go-to unit, so you will definitely see more of her. Keep on watching. But let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section below. Have you tried this unit before? If not, let me know if you are interested in trying it. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box. But let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm absolutely obsessed. I love it. Definitely going to try some different styles with it. So keep on watching. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.